In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure meeting notes in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is excellent for meeting notes because it keeps everything organized, easy to automate, and simple to share. We'll build a clean structure you can reuse, so your notes are clear, actionable, and consistent every time. Start with a standardized header at the top of your document. Keep it simple and consistent across meetings. Include the meeting title or topic, the date and time, the location or platform, the attendees with their roles, and who's facilitating or taking notes. You can format this as a small table for neat alignment, or use consistent headings so it's immediately scannable. Before the meeting begins, paste the agenda and objectives into your document. This becomes your checklist and helps keep the conversation on track. Apply heading 1 or heading 2 to each agenda item so the structure is easy to navigate. For example, you might have items like welcome and review of last quarter's metrics, budget allocation for the next quarter, and action item review from the previous meeting. During the meeting, capture the discussion in the main body. Be concise and focus on the signal, not the noise. Use bulleted or numbered lists to record key points, and tap the Tab key to create sub-points under a topic when a detail relates to a larger idea. To quickly flag important content, use the highlighter tool to mark items that look like decisions, risks, or follow-ups. This visual cue makes it easier to sweep for critical points after the meeting. Close strong with the action items, decisions, and next steps. Think of this as the money section because it drives accountability. Place it at the bottom of the document and make it unmistakably clear. Many people like a small table for readability, but a clearly labeled list works too. The goal is that anyone reading the notes can see what was decided and what is expected next. Keep a parking lot section for topics that come up but don't fit the agenda. Jot them down here so they aren't lost and can be revisited later without derailing the current discussion. To work faster, save this structure as a Word template. Go to File, Save As, and choose Word template with the .x format. Use word styles for your headings so the navigation pane, available in the View tab, lets you jump between sections instantly. And for interactive to-dos, add checkbox content controls from the Developer tab so you can click to mark items complete. That's your streamlined, repeatable system for meeting notes in Word.